All right, have any of you guys ever tried to bleach a black shirt for it to just come out rusty or orange or brown or just gross? I'm gonna make a tutorial. This one was a request by Sasha Britt, one of my subscribers. I'm gonna do a couple different options and try to figure out what makes it turn white.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell her, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell her, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hey guys, it's Oksana with Craft More Design here at Goodwill with the little one. We're about to go see what we can find for $1 Mondays. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna try to go ahead and thrift some black shirts so that I can bleach them. These are some shirts that I thrifted at my local Goodwill for about $1 each. Let's get started. Here are some items that we will need. It's so hot outside. Why am I wearing a sweater? Make sure you are wearing some clothes that you don't care about getting bleach on because it just happens. Minutes and I just went outside to check on my shirts. It looks like most of them are turning that orangey pink color. There's another one that's turning more ivory cream. So at the end I'll tell you which fabric turns to what. Whoa, this one is crazy. This one stinks. There's like nothing happening. That's looking really cool. I'm gonna try one more. This one is just a dry shirt. I have a little bit of bleach left, so I'm just gonna dunk it in there. And instead of letting it actually soak in here, I'm just gonna let everything kind of get on it, and then I'm gonna let it air dry. Does this do anything different? Already turning, which is so pretty. Do they look good? It's 82 degrees here in Georgia and it is hot. We are hanging out here while our shirts are bleaching. How long can we handle it? Just a few minutes, bud? And that's about my life. Vomit all day. But why do you always throw up on mama? So cute. All right, let's check on our shirts. This one is looking really good. You can see the whites are coming through, so I'm liking that. This one's looking good too. This is like a tan white versus this pinky white. That one just flat out stinks. And this one's really wet, so we'll just see how that one keeps turning. So it's still a little wet. I'm gonna leave these to dry just a little bit more, and we'll see how this looks. All right, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the wash and see if we can get this color any lighter. Oh my goodness, that looks so cool. Y'all, these turned out so pretty. I am so happy with the results. Every one of them look so good and so different. I love it. This is my favorite tie-dye. 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I love it. It's so pretty. This one is 100% Cotton Anvil brand, and it turned out really nice. Almost got that exact white. This is the one that I just dipped at the very end, and a really pretty auburn red. Also 100% cotton. So this one is 60% cotton, 40% polyester. This is the one that I said it stinks the whole time, but it turned out really pretty gray. So this came from straight up black to gray, and this is a Target brand. I love it. It's like almost like an acid wash. Last but not least, this is a Forever 21 sweater, and it turned out really good. So which one is your favorite? Go ahead and comment below. It's amazing what you can do with just some cotton and some fun fibers. Mine was definitely this one, but the cotton looked good as well. So let me know your favorite in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Y'all, I can't even. Look how stinking cute he is. His little Converse matching mama. If anybody else wants a video, comment below what you want to see and I'll make it happen.